Fritzy at Jenny.
O, sino gusto mauna?
Anong gagawin namin?
Nabigay kayo ng message sa housemates nyo.
Oh, is my hair okay?
Grabe, kailangan maganda.
Siyempre.
Oo.
Housemates, save niyo ako. Masakit yung kamay ko, tingnan nyo. Hindi to biro. Please save me, I love you. And I'm so sorry for being stupid. Thank you.
Housemates, tulungan niyo po kami. I miss you all. Sana po tulungan niyo kami. I really don't know what's happening right now. Basta sinunod ka lang yung gusto niya. So, please, sundin niyo na lang sasabihin niya. Then, makauwi na kami. Miss ko na kayo lang. Please, tulungan mo kami.
Why is the evil person a lady? Lady boss? Like, controlling everything? They're worse than men boss. They'll be like,
More smarter.
yeah. You know what I mean?
Pero kakaiba ang naging reaksyon ng housemates sa ipinadalang video.
We'll tell them what's gonna happen.
This is what we want now. You make our two daughters, our two housemates. I'm angry. You make me angry. I'm not a mom. If I'm angry, I will say Sergeant Joe. Do you know Sergeant Joe?
Ba't may gana pa silang makipagbiroan ng ganito, ha? Ito ba yung boyfriend mo?
Hindi po. If I tell him now, he pass. Oh my God. What happened to you? I'm angry. I don't know what I'm saying now, but I'm angry. You guys two housemates. My housemate. I need two housemates. You're disciple?
I'm gonna kill Ryan when I move back.
Thanks! What's up? You want soup?
You want some cell phone?
Cell phone soup.
Tignan natin, ha? Tignan natin! Sayang, ibabalik ko sana kayong dalawa eh.
Ilang saglit pa ay muling nag-ring ang telepono.
Is this Ryan?
Yes, I'm Ryan.
Okay. So, I saw the video.
Yes, thank you.
Mahusay naman din na binigay nyo yung mga hinihiling ko. Napaka-uto-uto ninyong lahat. Ngayon, dahil dun sa video na yun, na mukhang pinagtatawanan nyo lang ako, no? Supposedly, ibibigay ko na yung dalawa, pabalik sa inyo. Pero nagbago yung isip ko eh. Parang naisip ko, isa na lang sa kanila ang ibabalik ko. Ngayon, I will give you 10 minutes para mag-decide kayo kung sino sa dalawang ito ang gusto nyong bumalik dyan. Isa lang, okay? Sige.
Jenny or Fritz? Yeah. Because Jenny was supposed to be one of the people to take care of the money for the guy. Okay. But Fritz was the one to answer the phone and listen to me.
The Max. Walang sagot tayo. Uwi ako sa dito.
She sounds so annoying, her voice.
It's breaking.
Sabi, pinagkatapos ang babae ng pinagawa ko. Bagay silang nilaman.
Nakapag-decide na ba kayo? 10 9 8 kasi ako hindi.
Saan natin nakakanto ang lahat ng ito? At anong magiging kapalit ang malaking pagkakamali nagawa ng housemates?
I think we are too late. Diba?
Jenny! Fritzy!
Ngayong